Hello guys, my name is Priscilla and welcome to Swaggy's Kitchen. We're going to be making Caldo De Pollo today, and if you don't know what that means, it is chicken soup. So yummy. This recipe is actually a really good recipe for whenever you have a cold, you're feeling under the weather. For your kids, they get all their veggies. They love chicken soup actually. My son enjoys it all the time. It's really hearty and it's really good for you, whether it's cold weather or hot weather. We eat it in hot weather, 90-degree weather. So it works for everyone, everything, any type of event. Give it a shot and you won't be disappointed. To make this delicious dish, you're going to need the following, and it's all right here. So we have carrots, white onion, cilantro, parsley, celery, we have corn, we also have red potatoes, and this is Mexican squash, but I think it might be zucchini. Either way, either one works. So whatever you get, go for it. Now these are actually optional. I like these as toppings. Once you have your bowl of caldo or chicken soup served, I like to squeeze lemon on top, have some avocado and some jalapenos as well, whether they're sliced or whole. But also I like to have fresh onion and cilantro. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your pot and you're just gonna fill it up. Fill it up just enough so that everything fits in the water. I'm making a lot, so I need a lot of water and a bigger pot, but if you're making a little bit, you don't need that much. OMG. You don't want to fill it so high because once you put everything in there, it's gonna overflood and it'll be all bad. Was heavy. If you're gonna be in the kitchen, you need, some muscles. All right, so these are the first ingredients you will need. You need parsley, cilantro, onion, and celery. All you're gonna do is peel your onion, cut it in half, throw it in there, wash your veggies, throw them in there, and cut up. Obviously, wash your celery, throw it in there. All you need for seasonings is some salt. For those of you who watched my previous video, you know you need this, some chicken bouillon, garlic salt, and sazon Goya. All right, next thing you're gonna need, obviously you cannot make chicken soup without the chicken. So I got about 7 pieces of drumsticks and I had a whole chicken chopped up. You can have your grocery store chop it up for you. I don't do it. I don't even know how to cut a chicken, but maybe we can learn together. Look at these knockers. And here you have it, delicious caldo de pollo, also known as chicken soup. So I hope you guys like this recipe and let me know how yours came out. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Let me also know how yours came out. I'd like to hear it, and I'll see you guys next time.